Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make lemonade. Half of a lemon. You have to squeeze hard on it. Is that all, guys? It's at max now, see? So we're gonna take off this lid. Now we're gonna take all of this lemon juice, and we need a strainer. So I'm gonna pick up the strainer, and now hold it with one hand, and hold the juice with one hand. Then make sure, go. We need to make it lean. Mommy, this thing is way too big. It lost balance in some. That's enough. Gonna get some sugar. Can't open it. Thanks. Now we're gonna take this spoon. Look how big that is. Just gonna finish this up, then I'm gonna go add some Berkey water. And that, guys, now I'm just gonna mix it and then add some Angostura bitters. Two drops. 2 drops are enough. Well, that's a little hole. 1. Come on. 2. 2 drops. Mix it back again. Mix it real good. It does not spill because it's real close. The curtain's taking. Okay. Now we're gonna pour in this little cup.
Can you manage that, Kiana?
Now that we got that all mixed, my mom's gonna help me pour it into this cup right here.
Alright.
I'm just gonna pour it in. Mix it a little bit more. You can kind of see the spoon in there. Now we're gonna pour it. Now we're gonna taste. It tastes good. See you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.